Good day to all super momshies in the world, including the young and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to Expat Journey TV. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Super momshies, today we're going to make again another beautiful flower, which is lavender out of ribbons. So if you are ready, let's start now. Alright, these are the main materials that we're going to use today. Ribbon, bendable wires, and of course the non-woven cloth instead of tissue, and of course the plastic bag. So this is how I'm going to cut my ribbon. Alright, Super Momshies, this is it. So we're going to arrange this lavender flower. Super Momshies, this is it. So before we're going to end up this video, mega shout out to everybody, subscribers and non-subscribers and silent viewers. If you did not yet subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe now, and press the notification bell for more new videos update. Until then, babushi.